Schools teach you how to work for money, but don't teach how to make money work for you. Kiyosaki says the rich make their money work for them. How? They buy or create assets that generate regular income without requirement of their regular time. During his childhood, Kiyosaki with his friend Mike opened a library in the spare room in Mike's basement. They sourced hundreds of comics which were just removed from the shelves at the store where they worked at weekend. They took the comics for free at the condition of not reselling them and placed the comics in the library where children could read as many comics as they could in 2 hours by paying just 10 cents during the operational period of 2:30 pm to 4:30 pm after school. They employed Mike's sister as librarian for $1 per week salary. By this, Kiyosaki and his friend averaged $9.5 per week over a 3 month period without investing their time in the library. That is how the rich make money work for them.